Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, pull back under 20K, trying to take the 20K back again. We're going to look at MCRT, the project that I'm the founder of. A lot of exciting things are being developed at the moment. It's quite amazing building a project that's kind of revolutionary. What we're doing with MCRT is merging gaming and crypto together, which are two very big industries. The gaming industry is a $300 billion a year industry with 3 billion players from their mobile phones, most from their mobile phones. And then you have the crypto industry, which allows micro transactions, micro payments. So quite an exciting time. And also NFTs. So it's another technology as well that allows you to own the in-game items, own the money, own your characters. It's quite interesting space what we're building in. I'm very excited about it. And MagicCraft is blowing up right now. We're ranking a lot of the times as the first metaverse project, or in the top ranks of metaverse projects. We're coming close to the top 500 market caps on CoinMarketCap. We have volumes in the top 100 coins on CoinMarketCap. So quite exciting times ahead for MagicCraft. I'll be speaking on Bitway on the 1st of September. Join me there. I'll be also in Dubai for the Blockchain Economy Conference on the 4th of October, and then many conferences in Dubai, which is going to be beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trying to hold on to this back above 20K. Beautiful. Bitcoin hit 20K. Congratulations, everyone. Now, again, for me, I keep it very simple. If you're looking at Bitcoin, the time to sell was at 69,000 when I called the day of the top on November 11th. Selling down here is not highly recommended. You know, you want to sell high and buy low. Now, could it drop? Remember, you want to sell high and you want to buy low. You have to always do your own due diligence, not financial advice, but this is what I'm thinking. And my experience in the markets, 21 years of investing. Now, can we go lower? Yes. We can still make a double bottom on this 17,000. It's very possible that we do this 17,700. Or we could even break to the major support, 12,000. Very unlikely. If it goes down to 12,000, there's so many buy orders laddered up all the way down. 17,000, we have so many buy orders, but that's the major support at 12,000. Do I think it goes there? Very unlikely. Again, extremely oversold on the weekly, extremely oversold on the daily, turning up, extremely oversold on hourly, 4 hourly. We're oversold on every single time frame, and you can keep it that simple, really. And the monthly is extremely oversold. For example, you can keep it super simple on the monthly, the stochastic. The time to sell was when the stochastic was extremely overbought above the dotted lines here on November 11th, 2021. The time to buy is when the monthly stochastic is extremely oversold, which is currently now. So in my opinion, time to be buying. On the daily, we're turning up. We hold that 20K. We got a big bounce off this weekly support at 19,500. Then we wicked down yesterday, and again, we're recovering again today. 4 hourly, a lot of volume coming in. Hourly, a lot of volume coming in. It's making a kind of interesting pattern here. W formation is kind of forming here. I would be going long here on the shorter term time frames, longer term time frames. In my opinion, time to be going long on the overall movements. Now, in the long term, what I would be doing is opening a long right now. The stop loss below the 17K, so starting to buy. Stop loss below the 17K. And the take profit all the way at the top of the channel, not at the previous all-time high, but the top of the channel, which is 82,000. That risks 4,600 to make 62,000 without leverage on each Bitcoin profit, which is really good. In the shorter term time frame, I'd also be going long to the top of this resistance. So I'd be opening long here, stop loss below that support, and the take profit at the top of this resistance. Actually, we could make a tight stop loss and just take the trade if it plays out or not. Risking 271, 4.59 risk reward to make 1,245, which is beautiful. That's what's happening on Bitcoin. In my opinion, again, time to be buying. MagicCraft is holding up quite strong in this drop, sitting at around 0.014. It's slightly down 1.9%, ranked 586. MagicCraft.io to learn about it. We're on Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Phantom chains. We keep joining more. Certic audited, $21 million market cap, which is very small compared to the bigger like Play-Doh games like Axie Infinity, 1.5 billion market cap. Volume just under 1 million a day. The chart sidewards for the last 24 hours, monthly chart, massive growth overall. That's the equivalent of going up 10 times or 11 times, everyone. So that's like if you followed my videos when I told pay attention MagicCraft, that's 11 times or 10 times. That's the equivalent of Bitcoin going to $200,000 or the equivalent of Ethereum going to $20,000. So big congratulations. Look at the volume coming in, the interest in the project, which is quite amazing. You can get MagicCraft on PancakeSwap, MCRT. You have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. This is my project. I want you to keep that in mind. You can swap on PancakeSwap for Ethereum. For example, one Ethereum currently gives you PancakeSwap .finance. One Ethereum gives you 110,000 MCRT, or let's see how much USDT. 100 USDT gets you around 7,000 MCRT. 1,000 USDT gives you 70,000 MCRT. So that's on PancakeSwap. You can do that. And app.magicraft.io, you can also do staking. Right now, a huge portion, almost 30% of the circulating supply is staked. 441 million MCRT, 29% APR. You've got different staking periods, different durations, which is beautiful. That's MagicCraft. And the community is growing so quick on MagicCraft. Yesterday, I showed you we hit 45,000 members in Telegram. Now we're at 45,684 members. So it went up 684 members in one day, which is beautiful. And everyone just talking here together. And there was a guy here that showed a screenshot. He had staked, this is the chats in the last hour. So there was someone that had staked, where did he show it? I'm going to show you here. And be careful, everyone, of scammers. The admins and people are never going to message you privately. So just keep that in mind. There's a lot of scammers. I'm never going to message you privately. People are not going to message you privately. Keep that in mind. This was cool. So I want to show you this message that someone wrote. Well, this was just in the last few hours. I saw it a few hours ago, and now it's like, okay, it's lost. But he had staked like 500,000 MCRT. He bought it last month at half a cent. And now we're at 1.5 cents. So he made massive gains. I can't find that chat, which is beautiful. And yeah, and on MagicCraft Twitter, we're at now 97,600, also up 600 members in one day. It's growing so quick, MagicCraft. This is the game in PC and mobile. We ranked top 10 trending games on Gametaverse. We came 9th in the top trending games, even though we're the best game, to be honest. Like we came also in, I don't know, 6th, 5th in top gainers on Satoshi Club. Top 10 blockchain games with highest social score. Axie Infinity first. We came around, I think, 10th, which is beautiful. But I want to show you something. So also, don't forget, the MagicCraft still a Tesla unclaimed and hidden in the Genesis NFTs. There's around 7,000 or less NFTs, 6,000 NFTs now. And inside one of the NFTs, there is a hidden Tesla inside the NFT. And you need one of the NFTs. This is the game. This was the team playing yesterday all together. I can't hear the game chat. This was the team all playing together. We got top funding. This was some funding rounds. But something also interesting is that, like, I want to show you. This is our gameplay of the game, for example. This is the gameplay of the game. This is the team versing each other and playing for MCRT. And this is Axie Infinity. Just to put it in perspective, and Axie Infinity has a $1.5 billion market cap. $1.2 billion market cap. This is Axie Infinity's game. So I want to show you Axie Infinity. This is Axie Infinity with a $1.1 billion market cap. This is the game, and this is most of the games in the space. I'm an advisor, an investor in many crypto projects. And this is what I'm seeing across the board. It's a lot of people raising money, a lot of games that are coming to the space, but they're shit games. They're not really games that gamers will play. MagicCraft is the first real game, and it's really amazing for young people, adults. We're playing it non-stop. It's going to be very exciting. We're also integrating NFT technology into it. So all 24 characters inside the game will be NFTs. Let's see if I can pull it up. This is the game on iOS at the moment. We're internally testing within the team. This is the closed beta, internally testing. To go into the public closed beta, the public test, you need to either have one Genesis NFT or 1 million MCRT. So you need either 1 million MCRT, which is currently around $14,000. Last month it was $1,400. You need either 1 million MCRT, or you need to have one Genesis NFT to be into the closed beta. So just pay attention to that. Also, I want to show you something cool that the team made while the game is loading. But so these are the characters. This is Blazing. There's only going to be 10,000 heroes of each character, which is quite amazing. So this is the character select, and there's going to be 25 characters. Right now we have around 15. So this is Frigard. These are some different. You're looking at the internal testing. And now we also have. I want to show you something the team is working on right now. We also have something very cool. So this is the team. So they're making the Knights of the Realms. So this is on the MagicCraft. This is just the design that the team is showing. So they're going to show all the users that are holding more than 1 million MCRT, and they're called the Templar Knights. And they will be part, so you'll be able to check your wallet. This will be announced in the next few days. It will come onto the website live. You'll be able to check your wallet to see if you're one of the NFT holders, one of the Genesis NFT holders, or one of the holders with 1 million MCRT that will be in the closed beta. I'll be speaking at Blockchain Economy in Dubai on the 4th of October as a speaker, which will be interesting. As the founder of MagicCraft, it's got 3,000 attendees, 110 journalists, 80 sponsors, 60 countries, which will be beautiful. Yeah, and that's what's happening in the markets at the moment, and keeping you all updated. Big congratulations to everyone that's part of MCRT. 11 times is the equivalent again of Bitcoin going to 220,000 or Ethereum going to 22,000, but we're just getting started. Our market cap is still only 20 million. To get to 1.1 billion like Axie Infinity, it's almost 70x or 65 times from where we are right now. So if you put $1,000 last month, you now have 11,000. If we achieve our goal 70 times more, your 11,000 is now 770,000 or something like that. But anyway, do your own due diligence. Pay attention to MCRT. We're going to be listing on BitGet today, which is amazing. And BitGet is the first. So now we're on 3 centralized exchanges: MEXC, Bitmart, and now listing on BitGet today. They are the smallest of the exchanges that we will be listing on in the upcoming month. There's a lot of them coming up, lined up, and they're big ones, everyone. It's very exciting what's happening in the space. Thank you for watching. Pay attention to it. You're able to get in early in a project, which is quite interesting. That's why crypto is so powerful. You can for example, if you were to invest in this like a company like mine, like say Facebook, that's making the metaverse, we're competing with them, right? If you were to invest in Facebook, you only got to invest in Facebook at the IPO, on the public offering, on the stock market, already in the billions of dollar valuations. That was the first time you were able to actually take part in Facebook. That's why crypto changes the game. You can go into projects at the beginning stages before they become billion-dollar companies. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.